welcome back to Cooking Marie's Way. In today's video, we'll be making stewed chicken. So to begin, we'll use our chicken thigh. You can use drumstick, chicken wings, but I'm using chicken thighs. I said chicken thighs today, and I will put in the description box everything I use to season the chicken. And we're gonna go ahead and boil our chicken for about 15-20 minutes. We'll also use this same stock at the end, so make sure your stock is flavorful. You'll see me add 1 chicken bouillon. You can also add salt in replace of the chicken bouillon based off of your flavor and what you think you would want to add. So go ahead and let your chicken boil for about 15 minutes, and then we'll get started on the stew. I forgot to also mention I did add some chopped onions halfway through, but of course if you don't like onions as much as I do, don't add too many, because I also add some at the end. So once our chicken is done boiling, set that aside. Please do not throw your stock away. This is our chicken stock. Please don't throw it away. So in the pan, we're gonna add some more olive oil. You see all that goodness right there? Please don't clean that pot out. Leave it. We're gonna add some more olive oil, some onions, some tomato paste, and tomatoes. And we're gonna cook that all together. And we're gonna lightly season by adding some garlic powder and complete. Add our chicken back in, our stock, and it's done. Some butter and onions. This is a quick 15 to 30 minute meal. Maybe 30 minutes, depending on how long you let your chicken boil. If you have like big chicken thighs, then of course longer, but mine were very medium, so I didn't let it boil. I let it boil for like 10-15 minutes. My stew, I just let it steam for a while, but this is, I would say, less than 45 minutes, shall I say. Allow your tomato paste to cook because you don't want your stew to taste so tomatoey. You want to taste the good flavors, not so much like a starchy tomato kind of texture. So cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once that is cooked down, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken, and then we're going to slowly add our stock in. You're going to see I'm not going to add the stock in immediately because I want to coat the chicken first, and then I'll add the stock. I'll add my butter as I stated earlier. I'm going to add some more onions, and I'm going to let this simmer down. Now tell me that don't look delicious. Y'all gotta try this and let me know how y'all like it. That looks so delicious. Tell me it don't look delicious. It was delicious, okay? I hope you all give it a try and love this dish as much as I do. I don't make this recipe very often, but I hope you give it a try. Let me know how you feel in the comments. Love you guys. Bye.